You have probably heard the term dApp being thrown around in the crypto space, but what is a dApp and how does it work? Hi, my name is Jordan and welcome to Hoppy's channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about dApps. So what are dApps? dApps is short for decentralized application. Decentralized applications or programs exist and run on a blockchain or on a peer-to-peer computer network instead of a single computer. This means that the application or the program is not controlled by a single source of authority, as the control is shared by the users. dApps are often built on Ethereum network as they were the first blockchain to use smart contracts, which is the backbones of many of these programs. Like how there are many applications on your phone, there are different dApps with a variety of purposes like gaming, finance, and even social media. So a standard application will be something like Facebook, where we have users on one side of the equation providing information to a centralized computer, which is Meta Inc. And on the other side, we have Meta Inc. that controls the algorithm, who can access the application and the source codes for the application. So in contrast to a dApp, the source codes are open source, which means that the code is freely available for other dApps developers to use. So now let's talk about some of the advantages and the disadvantages of dApps. So because dApps are decentralized, they are free from the control of a single authority. So for example, if you were to sign up for a Facebook account, you'll be required to give information like your age, gender, location, and email. However, when using a dApp, all you need is a wallet address to start interacting and using the decentralized application without the need to give up information about yourself. And because the application is decentralized and running on a network of P2P computers, there is no single point of failure. And this ensures that there are no disruptions or downtime in using these applications. However, there are also disadvantages to decentralized applications. And since the codes are open source, bad actors can and will look through these codes looking for loopholes to exploit these applications. Hence, it's always good to keep your crypto safe by ensuring that your wallet is only connected to dApps that you trust. And dApps are constantly being developed every single day. And the user interface might not be as good as compared to a standard application where there are many developers working together to ensure that there are no errors in the code. And being open source also means that other developers are creating new concepts of the current dApp and with the hopes of creating the next better dApp. Lastly, dApps are still in the experimental phase, which means that there are unforeseen problems and issues that may arise down the road. Which brings the next question of scalability. So for example, in an event where a dApp gets a surge of users, is there a backend system ready to support the heavy load of users interacting with the application? Or will it cause a network congestion which will greatly affect user experience? So in a nutshell, that is what a dApp is. Don't forget to drop us a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'm your host, Jordan, signing out.